Good morning, Mark here from Mark's Garage. As you can see, we got the 04 Honda RC51 Budget Nicky up on stands today. What we're doing this morning is we're test fitting the OZ HL02 wheels. Got everything pulled off stock, and I always like to do a dry run first, just loosely fitting to make sure everything is as it should be. Able to get the front rotors and the rear rotor off without too much drama. That's always a concern of mine. These are dealing with small Allen head titanium bolts with a little bit of Loctite on them. So they came off fine and cleaned up just fine. So next we're going to fit the rotors, pull the tires off the old rims, mount everything up. A little concerned that I was going to have a problem in the back with my underslung rear caliper setup. But as you can see, the AP unit is tiny, and there was no issues with concern. A lot of times these underslung rear calipers on the wrong rims, sometimes even on OE rims, will have some interference there with that hub. These are kind of old school on this case, and they're kind of big, so I was a little worried about that, but plenty of room. Check back in later when we've got the mounting and balancing machine set up. Mount this mount machine. Give me a quick update. All right, we're set up here in the garage. We got the CBR wheels, tires dismounted. The tires ready to go on. A little warm in the sun. We got the first front wheel OZ in the stand. Getting ready to be popped on there with the Nomar. So, the update in a second. All right, everybody. Got both tires mounted. Getting ready to throw a little balancing weights on them. Check them out. And then mount the discs. Then we'll put everything back on the bike for the day. So far so good. Check back in with me for the finished product. All right, the finished product on Budget Nicky here. These wheels on, these OZ HL02s. They look stunning. Very stunning. Very clean. Love the look. Light's kind of bad. Kind of late in the day. There she is. Looking awesome. Got my videos, like, click, and subscribe. More later. Mark here from Mark's Garage out.